Hey everybody, my name is Kirk Jones. I'm from Alabama in the United States, and this is my first uke to bridge video in well over a year. But I still check out your guys' videos all the time. Definitely a lot of inspiration. Anyways, so it's July 2020 uke to bridge theme challenge heavy metal. So this is going to be a classic rock song from the 70s, which used to be considered heavy metal, but not so much anymore. This is Aerosmith's Dream On. And because I'm not as good as Joe Perry, I try something different in the middle, so I hope you like it. Every time I look in the mirror, all these lines on my face getting clearer. The past is gone, it went by like dust to dawn. Isn't that the way? Everybody's got the dues in life to pay. Nobody knows where it comes and where it goes. I know it's everybody's sin, got to lose to learn how to win. Half my life's in books, written pages, lived and learned from fools and from sages. You know it's true. All the things come back to you. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laugh and sing for the cheer. Sing with me just for today, maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take you away. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laugh, sing for the tear. Sing with me just for today, maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take you away. Come on, dream on, dream on, dream till the dream comes true. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream till the dream comes true. I hope everyone's staying safe and well out there. Have a great summer.